Hello guys, Moneymaker001 here. So today's video is going to be really important. Many of the people tell me that we want some of the method in which we don't have to invest any of the time, but still we can make money online doing very simple stuff. So today I'm going to show you one of the best way to earn money by doing very simple stuff, and this is one of the website which many of the people are utilizing to make money online. This is something which is easy money, and you can make almost $100 of money every single month. I'm not telling that this is absolutely sure shot method and you are going to get rich out of this method, but if you really want to make some pocket money in 2020, then this is one of the best method. Many of the college going students or many of the people who just want some extra money can utilize this. Some people want some extra money to get some coffee at Starbucks, or many other people want some extra money for just for themselves to pay their bills. So this is going to be one of the best methods. This is for the people who don't want to dive deeply into the online marketing field. They just want to gain some pocket money. So now let's jump with the content without wasting any of your time. I'm gonna show you the best method which you can utilize. So now what you have to do is just you have to open your browser and go to here google.com. Okay, we'll be searching this on Google. Okay, so here is the google.com, and I'll be showing you honey gain. Okay, so this is the website which is known as honeygain.com. Okay, now what you have to do is just open this website. Okay, this is one of the website which can make you really good money. Now, Honeygain be utilized on any of the platforms. Okay, you can use it on Windows as well as on Android devices and also Mac OS. Now, what you have to do is just download this application on your smartphone or on your computer. Now, what is the best thing about us that whatever you earn, okay, so what this application does is it tracks how much data you are utilizing, and it sells that data to other people. Okay, so they don't take any of your data which is really crucial. They only take your data which is unrequired for you. For example, sometimes you search for some of the things. What are the ads? So many of the companies like Amazon, Google, and many other big companies just buy data from these companies like Honeygain. They just get your simple data. For example, what things you are somewhat interested in, what products you are buying. So this is some simple data which you can share with Honeygain utilizing this platform, and this provides you money on how much data you use per day. So you can see here, if you utilize 30 GB or 10 GB every single day, then you are going to earn $30. Okay, so this is really simple. So how much data you can use per day depends on how much money you earn. Okay, so if you really want to earn more money, for example, you can say if you want to earn $100, then every day you have to utilize almost 33 GB of data. I think 33 or 32. Okay, yes, 33 GB of data you have to utilize every single day if you really want to make this money $100 a month. This is also possible, and if you are in such a platform that you can utilize more data, then you can also earn up to $300 using this method. This is really simple. All you need to do is download this application to in your computer, in your smartphone, or any device which you are using. You can almost join 5 of the devices on this network and really start making some money just by doing nothing. All you need to do is just keep this application on your computer or on your smartphone, and it's going to make money for you depending on how much data or how much internet you are using every single day on your mobile phone, on your smartphone. Many of the people have doubt that will it pay if you are using. Yes, it will pay even if you are using Wi-Fi network or you are using mobile data, everything is there. This is a worldwide platform and it is a genuine platform which really pays money. So you can definitely trust this application, and this application is really good, and really you can make a good amount of money utilizing this application without almost doing anything. So this is really some great stuff and some great application which you definitely need to download in your computer as well as in your smartphone. So if you like this video, if you like this application, I have given the link of this application in the description. It's not an affiliate link. Don't worry, I am not here to share any affiliate links with you. I share affiliate links only and only if it is of some real importance. Okay, so don't worry about that. Just go to the link and sign up for Honeygate and start making some real passive income. So we'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.